Now we're back a little further on the property back here. You see one of my little mini ponds over there. And you see here, this is a really young hemlock that I wanted to keep, and there was an older hemlock growing 3 feet from it that I had them take out. So we're going to leave the young one there to grow and take out the older one. And same thing over here. There was 2 big hemlocks here. One really huge one that I really like. Really pretty big hemlock there that I marked not to cut. So they didn't, and then took this one out right next to it. Now here's my other pond over here. I don't know how good you can see it in the sunlight here, but that's the other little pond right down in there. Might have to dredge that out a little bit. See how dark it is back over there? We're getting close to my southern border here. See, there's still some of these trees marked in red that are still yet to come out. They're still thinning out back here. But see, this makes this a nice little open area. See, and some of these maples will be staying here like this, just spread out quite a bit more. Some of the maples will be staying there. Then you have a nice big open area here. That's a basswood, big basswood they took down right there. There's another one of my big hemlocks over there. I got tons of them. But see, now we'll get it out here where we'll get the grass growing back here. So, like I say, I know it looks kind of funky right now with all the branches and everything, but it's really going to look nice when all is said and done. Walking north here. That's one of my other little ponds down there. I don't know if I can see it on the camera. It's one of the other little mini ponds with the cattails and stuff like that. I have to dredge them out a little bit, put me some fish in there. It's always been a dream. This here actually has been a dream of somewhat, and finally got jumped on this year when I found a decent logger who wasn't going to leave me with my pants down around my ankles here. So yeah, it's coming along real well. They're getting back here, way back here in the back. There's a lot of real thick maples. That's where they're finishing up at. There's a lot of real thick, heavy maples, and you can see how very dark it is back in there because there's no light that can get in there, so therefore no grass. You can see here there's little smatterings of grass. And but once we get a lot of these trees out of the way, I'm going to throw down what's called a shady pasture mix, where you've got half shade, half sun, and get it going back. But look at all these maple leaves down here from all these maple trees that are been taken out. But like I said, they're leaving some. See, there's a pretty one being left right there. Really nice maple that'll fatten up. Several of these, see, they'll just be spaced out quite a bit more. So, and I can actually use the land then. Imagine that.